How to add product to list in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add them. First of all, open the application. Now simply select the product that you want to add into the list. So here I'm tapping on one. Now again tap on the product. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called add to list. So simply tap on add to list. Now it has been added. Here you can even create a new list and you can even assign the list that you want to keep it. So here simply tap on the one and it has been added. So later you can go and check it out. So the list will show whatever products that you have added for later. So this is a place to review or know what things that you like, and later you can check it and directly buy it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.